Hello students, welcome to the Java class. In this video, we're going to see how to create various swing components. Consider this application form. So we are going to develop this application form using various swing components. So in this application form, you can see, so what is the first thing we have? We have username. And these are called as labels, username, password, gender qualification, and these are called as labels. Next, the type of the username is text field. Next we have password. The input type is password field. Next we have gender, that is male and female. So what is the type? The type is radio button. Next we have qualification, pre-nursery, LKG and UKG. So what are these types? These types are check boxes. Next we have a drop down menu, that is city, Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. So these are drop down menus. Drop down menus in swings are called as combo box. Okay. Next we have rhymes. We have twinkle twinkle little star, Johnny Johnny is Papa and rain rain go away. So these rhymes are nothing but list. Next we have address. So this address is a text area. At last we have a register button. So what is the type of register button? It is button itself. And then we have a name for the frame, that is title and the frame itself. Okay. So this we have to develop using swing components. First I will import java.awt.star. So why I am importing AWT package? Because the swing components are developed based on AWT. Okay. Next I will import javax.swing.star. So what is the meaning of javax? javax means Java extended library. Okay. Next, the swings comes under Java extended library. So what is the next step? The next step is I should create this frame. So how to create the frame? So that is class myFrame extends frame. I have created the frame. So what is the next step? I should create these labels. So how many labels are there? We have username 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 labels. So how to create a label in swings? That is JLabel. JLabel L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7. So we have created 7 label variables. Next. So what we have text field. Okay, this is a text field. So how to create a text field? So that is J text field. So how many text field we have? We have only one. So TF. Next. So next we have password field. So how to create a password field? J password field. So how many password field do we have? Only one. So PF. Next. So what we have? We have radio buttons. So how to create radio buttons? That is J radio button. So how many radio buttons we have? 2. So I will create RB1, RB2. Next. So the next step is I should group these two radio buttons. These two radio buttons should be grouped. So for that I will create J button group or else button group. Button group. I will take the variable name as group. Next. So what we have? We have a checkboxes. So how many checkbox we have? We have 3 checkbox. So how to create checkbox? J checkbox. So we have 3 checkbox. So CB1, CB2, CB3. So next what we have? Next we have combo box. So I will create J combo box. J combo box. I will take the variable name as box. Next what we have? Next we have a list. So how to create a list? J list. I will take the variable name as list. Next what we have? We have a text field. So how to create a text, not text field, it is a text area. So how to create a text area? J text area. I will take this as TA. Next what we have? We have a button. So how to create a button in Swings? That is J button. J button, I will take it as B. Okay. We have identified various components of this example. Next, we should develop the frame. So how to create a frame? We should create an constructor of myFrame class. So that is, I will take public myFrame. So this is a constructor. So within this constructor, I should provide the properties of the frame. So what is the first property? Set visible. Set visible of true. So this means that the frame will be visible. Next, I should set the size of the frame. So I will take set size of, I will pass 500 comma 500 width and height. Next my requirement is I want to provide the title of this frame. So how to provide the title of this frame? That is set title. So what is the title? myFrame. Next, now my requirement is if I click on this close button, the frame should close. So for this I will take set default close operation. So this method I will pass jframe dot exit on close. So this method is responsible to close the frame if we click on this close button. Okay. Next, we should create the components. So here we have identified the components. Now we should create the components. So first we will create labels. So L1 is equal to new J label of. So what is the first label? The first label is username. Next, similarly, so what is the second label? The second label is password. Next, so what is the third label? The third label is gender. Next, so what is the fourth label? The fourth label is qualification. Next, so what is the fifth label? The fifth label is city. Next, so what is the sixth label? It is rhymes. Seventh label is address. So we have created the label. So next we should create text field. So how to create the text field? TF is equal to new J text field. of, I should pass the length of the text field. So I will pass 20. Next we should create password field. So how to create password field? Pf is equal to new j password field of, I can pass the length, so I will pass it as 20 itself, or else we can leave blank also. Next, so what is the next one? Next we should create radio buttons. So how to create radio buttons? RB1 is equal to new j radio button of. So what is the name for RB1? Name is mail. Next, similarly, radio button 2 is equal to new j radio button of female. Next, we should group these two buttons. So for that, I should create button group. So how to create a button group? That is, group is equal to new button group. So I have created a group. Next, I should insert RB1 and RB2 into this group. So that is group dot add of RB1. Next, group dot add of RB2. Next, so next what we should create? Next we should create checkbox. So how to create a checkbox? CB1 is equal to new j checkbox. So what is the name for this checkbox? It is pre-nursery. Next, similarly, CB2 is equal to new checkbox of LKG. Next, CB3 is equal to new checkbox of UKG. Next, what we should create? Next, we should create combo box. So for combo box, so how many contents are there? We have 3 contents here: Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai. So I will take these contents into the string array. So string str, so that is string array str is equal to, so I will pass this, I will store this within the array. So first one is Bangalore, the next string is Hyderabad, the next string is, it is Chennai. Next, I should create a combo box. So I think the variable name is box. For combo box, yes, it is box. Box is equal to new j combo box of, I will pass this string. So automatically these values, so these strings will be stored inside the combo box. Next, so next I should create a list. So for list also, I will create a string array. String array s is equal to, so what are the contents of the list? So we have twinkle twinkle, next we have Johnny Johnny, so next we have rain rain. Okay, so these are the content of the list. Now I will create a list object. So list is equal to new j list of, I will pass this array, that is S. Now the list is created. So what is the next component? The next component is text area. So we should create text area. ti is equal to new j text area. So for this I should pass rows and columns. So I will pass 5 rows, 20 columns. Okay, text area is created. So next what we should create? We should create a register button. So that is b is equal to new j button of, so what is the name of this button? Register. Okay, now the register button is created. So what is the next step? The next step is we should add the components into the frame. Okay, we have created the components. Next we should add components into the frame. So how to add of components? Add of. So what is the first component? The first component is label, that is L1, username. Next, after adding username, what we should add? We should add text field. So that is add of. So what was the name of text field? TF. Next what we should add? We should add password label. So that is add L2. So next we should add password field, that is PF. Next we should add this L3, label 3, that is gender, L3. Next we should add this male. So male is I think it is radio button 1, RB1. Next we should add female, that is RB2. Add of RB2. So next we should add this qualification. This is a label 4. Add of L4. Next we should add these check boxes. So that is pre-nursery, LKG and UKG. Add of checkbox 1. Next add of checkbox 2. Next add of checkbox 3. Okay, next, so what we should add next? We should add this city, that is combo box. So city label is L5. Add of L5, that is label for city. Next we should add combo box. Combo box means I think it is box. Next add of, so what we should add? We should add this label, that is rhymes label. Rhymes label is L6. Next add of the list for the lines. So what is the list? I think it is list only. Next we should add this address. So add of, so what is the label for address? L7. Next we should add this text area. Add of TA. So next we should add this button. So add of B. Okay, yes, we have added all the components into this frame. Next I will create main method. Class, I will create it as swing example. Swing AX. Within this class I will define main method, public static void main, string array args. Now here I should create an constructor. So here I should create an object of my frame. So how to create object of my frame? My frame f is equal to new my frame. So this is enough. So this is going to create an swing frame. So let me check once whether I've created correctly. Set visible, set size, set title, set default on close operation. Next, I should set the layout in which these components should be arranged. So I will take set layout of new flow layout. Okay, so set layout is used to set the layout of this components. So save the program, compile. So Java C, what is the file name? SwingEx. So there is an error. What is that error? Symbol method set default close operation is not found. So I will comment this line. So it is not required. Save the program, compile. Java C SwingEx dot Java. Okay, run the program. Java space SwingEx. So this is our frame. Okay, so username I will enter it as ABC. Next, password. Next we have gender. So this is a radio button. At a time you can select only one. Next we have a qualification, which is a checkbox. Next we have a city, and which is a combo box, which means it is a drop down menu. Next we have rhymes. We can select any one of the rhymes. Next we have address. I think text area is not visible here clearly. So this is a text area. So you can observe here, whenever the text area is filled, so it grows in size. At last we have a register button. Okay, so this is a sample example for swing components. Now my requirement is, I want to add some scroll pane into this address field. So how to add a scroll pane? So this is my requirement now. For this I am going to create a scroll pane. Okay, so J scroll pane SP. Next, I will create a scroll pane object. So after text area, I am going to create scroll pane object. SP is equal to new J scroll pane of text area. For this text area, I am create a scroll pane. Next, I want to set the horizontal and vertical scroll pane policy. So how to set? SP dot set horizontal scroll bar policy. Scroll bar policy. So how the horizontal scroll bar should look like? So it should look like, that is J scroll pane dot, it should look always, so it should be visible always. So horizontal underscore, next scroll bar underscore policy. Instead of policy, I will take it as always. Okay, so that scroll bar look always. Similarly, SP dot set vertical, sorry, caps lock, vertical scroll bar policy J scroll pane dot, here I will take vertical scroll bar always, so that the horizontal scroll bar and the vertical scroll bar, it should look always, it should be visible always. Save, compile, clear screen, java c, wait, swingex.java, next, java space swingex. So it is not visible, still it is not visible for this. So I can try it in Ubuntu. So in Ubuntu it is visible. So this is about the Swing components, that is various Swing components. So if you have any doubts, please contact me.